Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get gems in Clash of Clans. Gems are the premium currency, essential for speeding up upgrades, buying resources, and acquiring unique items. You can earn them through several consistent methods. We will cover how to maximize your gem income by focusing on achievements, clearing obstacles, utilizing the gem mine, and engaging in community events. Let's dive into the best strategies to keep your gem count high. Achievements are a fantastic source of gems, offering one-time rewards for completing specific tasks, like upgrading buildings or winning battles. Keep an eye on your achievement list and aim to complete them. Additionally, clearing obstacles such as trees, rocks, and bushes from your village can give you between 0 and 6 gems each time. These obstacles respawn roughly every 8 hours, up to a maximum of 45 on your home village map. The gem mine, located in your builder base, is a steady source of passive gem income. Once repaired, it continuously produces gems, and upgrading it will boost its output significantly. Furthermore, participating in clan games with your clan is highly rewarding. By completing various tasks, you contribute to your clan's score, unlocking tiers of rewards that often include substantial gem payouts. Teamwork truly pays off here. Seasonal challenges are another excellent way to earn gems. Even without the Gold Pass, the free reward track provides a good number of gems. If you do purchase the Gold Pass, you will unlock even more gem rewards as you progress. Also, remember to check the in-game shop regularly for special, limited-time offers that might include gem bundles. Occasionally, the trader will also offer gems in exchange for your excess resources.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.